Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm showing how to make coconut jollof rice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Here are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using. You can check the description box for a complete list. So I have some pepper mix, I have rice, coconut milk, seasonings. I'm using bay leaves, seasoning cube, ground ginger, curry and thyme. I have some crushed garlic, tomato paste, and vegetable oil. So I'm going to start out by frying the onion. I'm just gonna stir fry for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the bay leaves. And just continue to stir. I'm gonna add the pepper mix. So for the pepper mix, I blended 3 red bell pepper, 3 tomatoes, and 2 habaneros. So I'm gonna add the seasonings, the garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, seasoning cube, and some salt. And I'm gonna just cover this and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Until the oil floats to the top. I'm gonna add the tomato paste. And I'm gonna cover for additional 5 minutes just to let that cook. And the stew base should be ready when all the oil floats to the top and you notice a change in the color. So then I'm gonna add the washed rice. I'm using regular long grain rice. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. So if you want to make regular jollof rice, instead of coconut milk, then you use water. So it's the same process, it's just the difference. The only difference is the rice is cooked in coconut milk in this one. So if you want regular jollof rice, just switch that out for water. You can use the same measurement, you get the same result. So I'm gonna add the rest of the coconut milk. And then I'm gonna cover with a foil wrap and then let it cook on low heat for about 20 minutes or so. So this is what the rice should look like. And at this point, you might be tempted to add more water, but please don't do that. Otherwise, you're gonna end up with a soggy rice. If the rice is not ready or if it's too hard, just cover it back and continue to steam for additional 10 minutes or so. So you can check it at regular interval, but please don't add more water to it. So I'm gonna cover it and just continue to let it steam, because it's the steam that's gonna cook the rice, not really water. So the rice should be done after about 30 minutes or 35 minutes total. So I'm gonna add some butter. That will give it a finished look. So yeah, the rice is done right now. It's very soft, not soggy. And then I'm gonna cover this and turn up the heat to high just to smoke it and get that smoky party taste. So I'm gonna do this for about 5 minutes or so. And this is the smoke of a properly smoked jollof rice. The rice is very dry, it's not soggy, and it has that patty flavor. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.